Digna Padora, the IDS principal. Let's give her a warm of applause. To Professor Ma'am Manolana, the guidance counselor. May mga kamay ba kayo dyan? To all the faculty members of IDS, ako magbagan. Lo and behold, for a long time, we haven't seen his face, but tonight he's here with us. He is the former director of the Developmental High School during our time when we were still high school. Here he is with us, si Professor Sir Simonan. Ang atong mga awardees karong gabi, atong pagpagal ang mga awardees. Ang kahinay ay atong guston. All of us who are here tonight, we deserve a warm of applause. Everyone please, come on, give a warm of applause. Usaw ka pa ko, okay na din, no? Nagkumanagala akong nagway sa lang ko. You know, I did not prepare any outline of my speech tonight because for me, this occasion and this event is really a time to celebrate with each and every one of us who are here. We are not going to limit ourselves with what we can do as alumni of our high school of MSU IIT. I believe some of you are here this evening because you want to be a part, not only because of the preparations that the Developmental High School Batch 84 did, but simply you are here this evening in order to enjoy your acquaintances with each other. For a long time, we were not together. Ang uman sa ato, nagkita-kita, karoon na lang yun. Sa akong mga batchmates, sa batch 84, nagkaroon mo. Nagkaroon na lang minakita, sulod sa 25 katuig, namang panag-uban, agikan sa high school, o hangtod na wala ni sa high school, 25 na katuig ang nilabay. Karoon pa lang yung minakitanay, na nananay mga uban ng ulo, ang uban mo ay buhok ng ulo. DHS 84! Ladies and gentlemen, we would like you to enjoy your time this evening. We were reminded during our previous meetings, together with the faculty as well as the officers of the Alumni Association, that we need really to express the joy of this day, December 28, because this is the only time that we can get together and we can see each other's faces. We were also reminded that this is a gathering, not a political arena. We are here not to politicize this gathering tonight. Well, this representation who is standing before you right now is a politician, but I don't mind being a politician. My role here tonight is the president of Batch 84, and that's who I am right now. I am not a politician before you. I will be a person who will enjoy this time together as part of the DHS or the high school alumni from 1946 up to 2009. So we hope that you will give your best tonight with all the programs that we have, and I hope that we will enjoy this time together. You know, during the previous months and before this time came, all of us were really desirous to know that time will come that we are going to host Ma'am Panora, si Ma'am Manulang Klaseng ikonta ka na mo, kumusta na ba ang inyong kwarta? Daghan na ba mo inyong nakulit? To tell you honestly, in my heart, I was not afraid. Although the money wasn't there yet, I was not afraid because I have faith in my batchmates, Developmental High School, batch 84. I have faith on them that this thing will materialize. Ang uban mo yun na, kaya ka nato ni Bay, basta hindi nato kaya, ihatag na lang nato sa batch 85. Basta hindi nato kaya, ihatag na lang nato sa ila, dili na lang tamo host. Ingon ko, dili na pwede oy. Dili pwede mulat ang. Busa na nagkamag me. So this is the result of our labor. This is the result of the support of everyone. This is the result because IDS, faculty members, were also supporting with us during the time when we were raising funds by way of our raffle. And fortunately, two of our prizes were won by the high school of IDS. Ang isa na nakadaog, iya na pong iuli ang premyo sa batch 84 aron na ikatabang niya para magiging ko ang programa. So nagpasalamat din ako. Tungod sa inyong nakong suporta, alina katakaroon ginitagna o nasayod ko ang batch 85 nagpangurong na sila kaya gusto pa nilang palamuan ang among ibuhan karong nabili ng orasan. So we hope and pray that all of us will enjoy and have a wonderful time together. Walay mag-killjoy na to dire, itantaran mag-enjoy because this is only once in our lifetime to be here this